Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to send XRP from Bitmart to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets securely, you're in the right place. XRP is a popular cryptocurrency known for its fast transactions, and transferring it between exchanges is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Crypto waits for no one. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Coinbase Wallet, and that you have some XRP in your Bitmart account. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your XRP balance there, it should be listed clearly. Next, open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and navigate to the Receive section for XRP. You'll need to copy the XRP wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to miss any characters. Pro tip: always verify that you're on the correct network. XRP typically uses the XRP Ledger network, so double-check that in your Coinbase settings. Now, back on Bitmart, go to the withdrawal page. Select XRP from the drop-down menu. Paste the wallet address you copied from Coinbase, and enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add any required tags or memos if prompted. Coinbase might need one for XRP transfers. Review all the details, including fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but in 2025, with improved blockchain tech, it might be even quicker. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your XRP arrive. Awesome job! You've just moved your assets like a pro. A quick word of caution: always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test things out, and keep an eye on gas fees or network issues. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.